In this guide, I'll show you how to fix purchase errors made in the PlayStation Store on PS5. So if you're trying to make a purchase and you're getting an error, the first thing I recommend you do is go to Settings. Then we're going to go to Network Settings and Connection Status, and you want to view the PlayStation Network status to ensure all the services are up and running. Now, if any of these are in the yellow or in the red, I'd wait until it's fixed and then try and make a purchase. Now, if that's not the issue, it likely has to do with your payment method. So we're going to go to Users and Accounts, and then you want to wait for account settings to load and go to Payments and Subscriptions. So here is where you'll be able to edit your payment methods, and what I recommend you do is try removing your credit card or debit card or PayPal account and then re-add it with the correct information and try and use that payment method again to see if it works. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, a go-to method I always do is simply go out and buy a digital gift card code, or you could buy a physical gift card and then add said funds to your wallet. And then since the funds are already in your wallet, you'll have no issues when it comes to purchasing errors. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.